How to start schedule learning time on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to start it. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click on your profile in the top corner. Just don't click on it, just move your mouse on it, put your mouse on it, and then here we'll find this one, my learning, and here we'll find get started. Now just manage here anything you want, just type here any name, and now that's it. Just select a course here, any course you want, and then click next, and that's it. I don't have any courses here, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.